Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use Mobile Deposit. First, log into your online banking account. Once logged in, on the bottom of your screen, you will click Mobile Deposit. It will first ask you which account you would like the check deposited to. Then, the amount of the check. Next, we will need to take a picture of the front of the check. Simply line up the check in the picture and tap your screen to take a photo. If you took a clear photo of the check, click Keep Picture. If not, you are able to retake the picture. Now, we will repeat the process and take a picture of the back of the check by lining the check up and taking a photo. Be sure to sign your checks before attempting to make a deposit, and write via Mobile Deposit at the bottom of your signature. Click Keep Picture. Next, make sure the information is correct and hit Deposit. Please note, mobile deposits are only processed on business days only. If you deposit your check prior to 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, your funds will be deposited that day. If you deposit your check after 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, your funds will be deposited the next business day by 9 a.m. Deposited funds may not be made immediately available for withdrawal.